Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're discussing how to open password protected zip file in Windows 11. So guys, as you can see, I'm already doing this. So in order to do this, I just recommend using this Lost My Pass service. So just open up the service, and here go to file types, and of course choose the file or document you wish to recover if you've lost password to it. So for example, you can go to the zip file. And guys, it's actually very simple. You just click here or just drag and drop your password protected archive into here. And then in the next window, as you can see, it's going to process it. I have 1 minute remaining. We can just wait, I guess. And after it processes the file and actually recovers your archive and basically kind of cracks it. All right, and pretty much this is going to be the way to do this. And guys, also you have a weak and strong password recovery. Also there's brute force. If someone ever needs it, I guess you can use this. But in general, yeah, you just upload your file and it will recover the password for you. So hopefully this fixes you, and hopefully you can actually access the files in your basically archive. And enjoy, guys. So if you like this video, press like, give us a subscription because, well, if it will help you, why not? And I'll see you soon.